Hello everybody, this is Faith Robin, the Sparkly Beater, and today we are going to open this January collection from Eureka Crystal Beads. This is a collection that you have to go to the website and order each month. It is not a subscription. Eureka Crystal Beads did not sponsor this video. Okay, let's get into it. I do want to say that they release their collections the first Thursday of every month, and they do sell out quickly. They do restock their collections, so if you do want one and it's sold out, just wait and they will restock. They always come in this beautiful tissue paper that you can save and use to wrap up something else. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Well, that certainly gives us an idea of what the theme is for the month. I believe it's going to be a peacock. So, and it says Eureka Crystal Beads on there. Every month they have a beautiful picture with the color story for the month. So let's get into this and see what it has and what it says. I can already see some of the beautiful beads and findings and things that are in here. So it says here, the stunning creature stands before you, a vision in green iridescence with a riot of blue spotted feathers. He is watchful, patient, his tail has the eyes of the stars. You hold your breath, and just like that, he is gone. You know you've been in the presence of wild nobility. Oh my. How beautiful. Oh goodness, look at this. Here's our list. They have a wonderful organization. They put the Japanese seed beads, the check glass, the Swarovski crystal, which it looks like we've got quite a bit this month, the findings, and this collection, if you bought everything individually, would be $84, but since you're getting the collection, you save $28. So let's get into it. I'm going to start with the Japanese seed beads. So I'm going to put the card up here with our colors in it. Okay. Everything out here. Oh wow, okay, so let's find our Japanese seed beads. Oh wow, beautiful. Okay, so it looks like we have size 11 Toho round seed beads, and I have metallic iris olivine, which are these. So that's the color. The second one, because I'm having a hard time getting these open. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is, these are Toho demi seeds. It's also a 2.5-inch tube. See if I can get the color there for you. It's like an iris color. These fit in beautifully with the theme. And then the last one, these are Miyuki 2.8 millimeter drop seed beads, and this is a 13-gram tube. Let's see if I can get the color there for you. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Okay, all right, we'll move on to the check glass. So let me find them. Oh, here we go. The first one. Oh wow, see if we can get those up close. This is a 6 millimeter round fire polished beads, and there are 25 pieces. Just beautiful. And the next one, number 5. I'll try to find it here. Number 5, where are you? Super Duos. 2 by 5 millimeter 2-hole check glass seed beads in a 2.5-inch tube. Number 5, the color was saturated metallic nebulous blue. Beautiful. Number 6 are some more Super Duos. 2-hole check glass beads, 2.5-inch tube, and these are dark turquoise with luster. So far, we definitely have peacock-looking colors here. Oh, wow! These are mini duos. 2 by 4 millimeter 2-hole mini duos in a 2.5-ounce tube, and these are gold. Just says gold. Little tiny mini duos, aren't they cute? Okay. Oh, how nice. Okay. So that was number 7. Number 8 is a strand, and these are very pretty. Let's see, look at the holes. The holes are very nice. Very nice. These are 6 millimeter round drucks. Beautiful color. Just beautiful. Very peacock-like. And that was number 8. Number 9, we have gem duos. Oh, wow. These are so cool. They're diamond shaped. You see that one right there? They're diamond shaped. And these are 8 by 5 millimeter. They're 2-hole. This is a 2.5-ounce in these tube, and these are polychrome in aqua teal. Very, very pretty. I'm so excited. I'm just tickled. I can play around with these 2-hole beads. This is going to be fun. So we'll put those up there. And then number 10 is another strand of drucks, 8 millimeter this time, 25 pieces on the strand, and it's a very pretty green. Look at the luster on that. Oh my. Okay. I feel like the peacock is sitting here with me. Wow. Okay. So that takes care of our check glass, and now we're going to go into the Swarovski crystal with number 11. And number 11 are these cabochon pearls. We have 2 pieces, and they're 10 millimeters. This is what the back looks like.
There you go. Back and the front.
So there's the back and the front. Okay, so that's number 11. Number 13, we have 8 millimeter Swarovski chatons. And oh my goodness. Oops. What happened there?
It jumped.
It jumped, but I'm not seeing where it jumped to. And then the foil on the backing looks like that.
Okay.
So I'm going to do the next few together. So here is number 14. Not sure if you can see that in the bag. These are all going to be 4 millimeter bicones, 20 pieces.
Swarovski.
Yes, all Swarovski crystal. And have the AB finish on them. We have this blue, and we have this deep, deep blue here. And then this one has a metallic AB finish on it.
Sparkly.
Very sparkly. And then we have this very icy looking blue. If it's coming across there.
Yeah.
Very,
What do they call these colors?
very pretty. We don't have specific colors on these because if they run out and they have to fill, this is what Eureka Crystals does, if they have to fill it with another color that fits the theme but might be different, they will do that, and it will always be the same value, but it may not be the same exact color. So they don't have the color on there. Okay, and then we have a number 19 here, which is, these are bicones. They're larger. These are 6mm bicones. See if I can get those in focus for you. And they're gorgeous. They look like they're teal, and they have an AB type of coating on it, but it's giving off a cast of purple, magenta, blue, really, really beautiful. Okay, and then we're not done with the Swarovski yet. Number 20 are these Rivolis. Let me get them out of the package for you. This is what they look like in the package. Let's see. So packages are sometimes miserable to open. Okay, so these Rivolis. And these look like they're turquoise, aqua.
Yep.
That's the top, the front. And then they have this coating on the back.
Okay.
So those are the Rivolis. And then we're still fitting in perfectly with this theme of the peacock. And then the last Swarovski item are these exquisite cushion cut. Oh, the Rivolis were 12mm, by the way, and these are 12mm cushion cut crystals. So they call them square Rivolis, and then they also have the coating on the back. This color, it's shooting off all kinds of beautiful colors from inside. If you look at it, it's beyond exquisite. It's just gorgeous. Okay, now, as if all of that was not enough, we now go to the findings, and they have very high quality findings. So we have here enough for 2 pairs of earrings and the gold lever backs. And then we have in here, in this bag, oh, I can see this has an AB finish on it too. Let me try to get it out of this bag. Oh dear, this is beautiful. This is a foot of this beautiful cup chain, deep teal with AB finish on it in gold. Beautiful. An entire foot. So beautiful. Okay. And then we have number 23. We have a Rolo chain, and they have given us 2 whole feet. Oh, this is an unusual Rolo chain. This is, can you see that? That is a rectangular link. And we have 2 feet of this. So you can really make quite a bit with that. 2 feet. 2 feet of Rolo chain. So now that is the collection for the month, but they always include a free gift. And look at this. This is the free gift. It is a package here of these beautiful, looks like metallic hearts in this beautiful blue, and they go with the collection. So when they collate these collections, they put everything together, including your free gift. And if you order this, you will get a free gift also, but yours may differ from the one that I got. Not everybody gets the same. So here you have the January 2020 Eureka Crystals collection, and it's called the Royal Plumage Collection. And it definitely is royal. I'm a blue and teal person, so these colors are right up my alley. They do have past collections as well, so if there's something that you like and there's a past collection, you can purchase those as well. Please don't forget, if you like this video, hit that like button, and also please subscribe to the channel. It means so much to me. And hit the bell for further notifications. Please comment, because I do read the comments, and I love reading them. And remember to bead sparkly. Bye-bye.